kind of a lazy dinner. We're making fried rice, but we're putting an Italian spin on it. So we're making Italian-style fried rice. So I'm starting with cooked cold short grain rice. But this is a fun way to use up 1.5 cups of cooked rice. So if you're starting from scratch, you make 1.5 cups of short grain rice. And what we do with that is about 6 cups of stock and or water. You could do a combo or all of bone broth or stock, all of water, whatevs. Add a little bit of olive oil to it towards the end before you go chill her down, and or a dab of butter, whatever you want, and some salt, good amount of salt. Fried rice means just that. The rice itself should be light golden and a little crisp. So I'm gonna let this guy brown. I started with an onion. I'm gonna grate in some garlic. We let the onion go first, then we start browning the rice, then we add the garlic. You don't wanna put the the garlic in too soon. You will brown it, it will bitter, and it won't taste good in your dish. So you put the garlic in a little bit later on in the mix, okay? And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. You know they like to hang out together. Now, if you like things a little spicy, you can also, or instead of, add red pepper. Like my family likes everything extra hot. So I actually use both black and red. And I'm gonna turn him back just a little bit to medium and just let him kind of hang. Now over here, we have, for every 4 adult portions, we have a pound of Italian sweet sausage with fennel. That's 4 links. If you're buying it in links, of course you can substitute plant-based, chicken sausage, turkey sausage, of course. When it comes to the rest of the ingredients, let's just kind of walk through them. We're going to add leeks, sweet and spicy pepper. Now this is not too spicy. This is called a Fresno chili, and it's very friendly. It's kind of a fruity, soft heat. It's not too spicy. And Italian frying pepper, of course. This is sweet, plain old sweet. So we have the Italian frying pepper, 1 Fresno. So now, you know what that was stuck in the back of my throat? The sausage I was stealing from the pan. Again, you can use plant-based sausage, chicken sausage. We have pork, Italian pork sausage with fennel, sweet sausage, cooking up for our Italian-style fried rice. You take the paddle back. Here's our toasted browned rice with onions and garlic. To the crumbled Italian sausage, we're adding the sweet pepper, the hot pepper, the little, it's not even that hot, it's the Fresno and the frying pepper with the leeks. We're wilting that all together in the drippings. We're gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. And then we're going to add a fat squirt of tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste, either. Well, what are you gonna thicken, Rach? Oh, I don't know. Some wine from northern Italy? We're gonna add in some fresh tomato as well. A couple of fresh tomatoes chopped up as well. So I'm gonna pile these guys up and cut them into a little chiffonade. And then we have basically basil confetti. So we're gonna add these because the little tiny ones weren't there that day. Yeah, I just put the whole tub in. So we have tomato, basil, and mozzarella. Okay, then we fold this stuff together. So we've got the peppers, the onions, the leeks, the garlic, the tomatoes, tomato paste, the white wine. Look at this cheesy, hot, gorgeous mess. Look at that.